Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to look at and discuss 3 Ronson Princess automatic petrol lighters, all with different finishes. The first you can see is your typical chrome plated, while it is also enameled, which is pretty typical in Ronsons as well, but chrome plated finish. Then we have the Dureum finish, which I can't find a whole lot of information about, other than it is some sort of plating. This particular model is Dureum finished and also black enamel on the back. And then our silver plated Ronson Princess, which is the first silver plated pocket lighter that I have encountered from Ronson. I've seen plenty of silver plated table lighters. This is the first pocket lighter. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that off in a text, email, post a link on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and of course follow us on eBay. Make sure that you get the notification when those new listings come up or those penny start auctions begin. So we've done a lot of repair videos on Ronson Princess lighters. We've done a lot of videos on Ronson lighters in general. But it's very interesting to me to encounter. First, of course, I've encountered many chrome plated and enameled. Encounter those all the time, very common, sometimes in better condition than others, but they're out there, many of them. I can't recall if I've ever encountered another Dureum finish Ronson. If I did, I don't think I realized what it was. I think I probably just thought it was brass. But to be honest with you, I don't know what Dureum is anyway, so it's cool looking though, and definitely stands in contrast to the chrome plated enameled and the silver plated. Which, just a normal disclaimer, I'm not an expert on metals, but I believe all three of these lighters are actually brass, constructed of brass, and then plated with a different material. In the case obviously with the silver plating and the chrome plating. Now, whatever Dureum is, I can't tell you. Maybe you can tell me. So the same lighter, constructed of the same metal, but with three different finishes. Ronson with the princess in parentheses. This one has, the Dureum has the information printed sideways, Ronson. And then it has the Ronson and the patent, and then upright just got the patent information, and Art Metal Works there in the middle. So it's got the printing in both directions. And the silver plated has it all printed upright. Is that in the other direction or the same direction? No, same direction. Ronson Princess. So the chrome and the silver plated are printed in the same direction, and that's probably, rather than a function of the finish, that's just a matter of the time period that it was produced, I'm sure. The mechanisms. See, the silver plated mechanism is marked Ronson, where the thumb lever on the other two are not. Not only that, but the thumb lever on the Dureum model is shortened compared to the other two. Other than that, they appear identical. Until next time.